Welcome EBO Pro community. In this video, we're going to walk you through setting up your account. After you log in, you'll be on the EBO Pro dashboard. Across the top, you will see the title bar with your company name, and on the right side, you will see the account button, which looks like a little person. When you click on it, you'll see a menu with My Account and Logout. Go ahead and click My Account, and this will take you to your account settings. Here, you can update your information. When you first log in or when things change, you will need to update this information. Your employer needs this to be current for their files. At the top of this page is where you can change your password just by clicking Change Password. Here, you can update your contact information, including home address, which is important since your company uses this for sending you your tax documents like your W-2. The next section is Current Assignment. If, most of the time, you drive the same truck or route, you can enter those here and they will be used automatically on your trip log. The next section is your CDL information. You'll need to enter or verify your CDL and medical information here. Please update both the CDL and MedCard expiration dates as you renew them. And the final section is for your personal information. Then always finish by hitting Save. And that is how you update your account settings on EBO Pro. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, or if you know of a tutorial you'd like to see, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.